With Valentine's Day coming up, I wanted to do a quick little Valentine's Day craft. So what you're gonna need is some felt, some embroidery floss, scissors, a needle, and maybe a piece of paper. If you only have one color of felt, I think that's totally fine. I grabbed a few because I wanted some options. So on your paper, you're gonna draw something that kind of looks like a really tall house. This is because it's gonna fold up and then that top part's gonna fold down. I cut it out and you can see it folds up and folds down. We're gonna use this as a template on our felt. So I put the template on the felt and then I just traced around it. So now I'm gonna cut this out. All right, now it's time to pick the thread. Because it's Valentine's Day, I think I'm gonna go with this kind of purpley pink color. You'll also need a needle. I kind of have like a pretty big one. You might not need one this big, but you definitely need something bigger than the small sewing needle. All right, so starting with it unfolded, I'm going to do a blanket stitch around this flat bottom. And then once I get to the corner, I'm gonna go ahead and fold it up to the top of the triangle here, and then blanket stitch the sides. I don't know how much thread you're gonna need. I just kind of grab a whole bunch and pray. Alrighty, so I finished the blanket stitch along the bottom, so I've just folded it up here like this, and I'm gonna blanket stitch. Now that the blanket stitch is done, I'm going to do a single stitch along these sides here, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of fun to it, and we'll see the end product in just a minute. And here's the finished product. I added a little button and some Velcro so that way it stays shut, but there's your little envelope, and it can fit a little note in there. Happy Valentine's Day!